My name is Mike Mulno, and I'm a photographer, and I teach photography at Grossmont College and the University of San Diego. When I look at Shore's photographs, one thing that stands out is the organization of space. I mean, that's one thing that's been highly influential to me as a photographer, is how do you deal with that thing before the camera's lens? How do you organize it into the space of a photograph? And when you look at Shore's pictures, they seem to be so common. They're everyday objects. There's no sort of trick angle, trick shot happening. It's, basically how you would see something straight ahead. But when you really look at them, you start to see the conscious choices being made. And if we look at the photograph, it begins at the edges of the frame, and it works its way in from the telephone lines to the center of the picture, in which we see this wonderful pattern, this triangle formed from the Pepsi sign, the 99-cent hamburger sign, and the telephone booth. And if we look above it, we see that same pattern etched out in the cloud formation. And those things, by chance that the clouds existed the same way as the pattern of those three central objects, but it took Shore's keen observation to see that, stand in the right place, and record it on a sheet of 8x10 film. And we see these indicators of, Americana, the 99-cent hamburger, the soda pop, the convenience store. And it makes this wonderful dialogue in red, white, and blue. The colors of these objects communicate the colors of the country. The Pepsi sign almost hangs there like the American flag. It's like the most poetic thing could be a fact clearly stated.